In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a chart in Google Sheets. Whether you're preparing a simple bar chart or something more advanced, the process is straightforward once you know the steps. So, let's dive right in. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open Google Sheets. You can do this by navigating to your preferred internet browser, typing in Google Sheets in the search bar, and then simply selecting the first result that pops up. If you have a Google account, you'll be able to access your sheets directly from there. Once you're in, click on the blank option to open a new spreadsheet, or you can open an existing file if your data is already set up. Now, once you have your Google Sheets file open, it's crucial to prepare your data before creating a chart. Typically, you'll want your data organized in rows and columns. A neat and tidy setup makes the charting process smoother and helps prevent any confusion later on. Make sure that your column headers are clear and descriptive, because these will often be used as the titles and labels in your chart. Next, you'll need to highlight the cells that contain your data. Simply click and drag your mouse across the cells that you want to include. Make sure you have all the relevant information highlighted, as this selection will dictate what your chart displays. With your data highlighted, go up to the top menu and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu, you'll see several options. What we want to focus on is the Chart option, so go ahead and click on Chart. This will prompt Google Sheets to generate a chart based on the data you've selected. Once your chart appears, you'll notice it's automatically situated within your spreadsheet. By default, Google Sheets might create a bar chart, but don't worry if that's not what you need. On the right side of your screen, a chart editor panel should open up, which allows you to customize your chart further. In the chart editor, you'll see an option labeled Chart Type. Click on that and you'll find a variety of chart styles to choose from: line charts, pie charts, histograms, and more. Select the one that best fits your data and the story you're trying to tell. Beyond just choosing a chart type, you can also head over to the Customize tab within the chart editor for more options to adjust the appearance of your chart. You can change colors, labels, and even tweak the grid lines to your liking. Don't hesitate to explore these settings, as personalization can greatly enhance the clarity and visual appeal of your data presentation. And there you have it. You've created a chart in Google Sheets, all set to help you and your audience visualize data more effectively. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. See you in the next video.